This is our programming module for the digital inflator and digital deflator. As you can see here, we have the tyre pressure down here, 32.4 psi. The target tyre pressure has been set at 33 psi. If it is within half a psi, the signal done will be there, saying that the target PSI has been achieved. So this module can be run off any compressor. We're currently using the ARB single compressor. As you can see, it is on a spare tyre over against the wall. Our production model will be in this case. This case is the size of an iPhone. As I was saying, this one here is for programming. We can have Toyota Two Shoes logo on the screen. We will be adjusting the PSI locations, having just target PSI, current PSI. And what we will do now is we will deflate the tyre from 33. We will go down to 20 psi. So once we've set our set PSI, target PSI, you press start. It will take a measurement and then calculate the amount of time required to hit the target PSI. One more measurement. It should come. Now it's come up with done, which means it's hit its target. In the production model, which will be in this case, it will have a buzzer that will sound. So now that we've hit our low PSI point, we'll take it back up to 33 PSI. And what we'll do now is set it at up, then press start. It'll take a measurement and calculate how much it's required. And it will signal done, which will be a sound in the production model.